What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Audi Q5 smart key remote fob. This Audi Q5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this silver button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to remove this piece here, which is the battery tray, and there's two buttons we need to press. There's a silver button here that my thumb's on. Then on this side, this whole black piece will push down like that. So we need to push both of those buttons down at the same time, and as we do that, we pull this middle piece out, and it can pull out of there pretty tough. If you're unable to get it out with just your hands, what you can do is come over here and we'll kind of use the emergency key to pry a little bit. So on this side, I'm pushing that silver button down with my finger. Then I'm going to come over to this side, put the key right here, and push that button down, and then kind of pry up at the same time on that tray. And then once it's started, you should be able to get it the rest of the way out with your hands like that. Either way, once we get that tray out of there, we see our battery right here, and that battery is just sitting on that tray. So we'll get the old one out, and then we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing the new replacement battery with the plus side down on the tray. Plus side down on the tray. So we have our positive side down, and then we'll go ahead and slide our battery tray back into the fob. Slide that in until it clicks. Then we can slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.